Hello, I'm very happy and excited with the new developments that we just released with version 1.40. In the last months, we work together with clients and partners across different regions and across different industries. We learned a lot and we received very good feedback. And I'm happy to see that majority of this feedback is aligned with our roadmap and our plans. That means this is a confirmation that our thinking and innovations are addressing the market expectations. And in this new release, you will find new features and new functionalities for which we worked a lot with big efforts and investments. And I will mention the ones that I find very valuable and useful for you. We created a new UiPath connector. Now from the conversation, you can directly create a UiPath automation job. And as for the previous connector and as we designed from the start, Druid is able to incorporate and run long-running RPA processes, asynchronous, not locking the conversation until the process is completed. With this new connector as well, you can continue the conversation after job is created, and when the job completes, Druid knows to resume automatically the previous conversation flow. This new connector brings simplified authoring experience. So with just drag and drop and select it from combo boxes, you can plug in any automation defined in your orchestrator. You can easily transfer conversation context in input arguments and receive back output arguments and place in the conversation context. You will find in solution templates integrated with UiPath Data Service, Action Center, and UiPath apps. So you can unleash via the conversation the entire UiPath hyperautomation stack. There is another video going in details about all these integrations. I fully recommend to take a look and see the demos. There are improved authoring tools. In the flow diagram, in the entities designer, you will find visual diagrams right now. So you can visually drag and drop and design your conversation flow. In the bot map, you can easily understand the relationships between conversation flows and the conversation paths. You can zoom in, you can zoom out and understand the entire bot logic across hundreds of transactional conversation flows. In the entities, the things that you appreciate the most at Druid and where Druid is unique, the fact that Druid entities are business objects, related business objects, now you can see visually. You have the relationship diagram where you see the related entities like a database diagram, and you have the context view or the tree view where you see exactly the conversation slots, and you can drill down and see entities within entities like account with invoices, payments, contracts, and so on. We invested in the contact center integration. So you know Druid delivers built-in live chat functionality. Now you have additional tools for the contact center. You have queues and you have the possibility to automatically route the chat call to the appropriate queue. The agents can now transfer the call to another colleague, keeping the user, the customer, within the same chat session. You have now the Druid chatbot virtual assistant embedded in the live conversation, side by side with the live chat. You can chat with your virtual assistant about the respective context, and you can trigger further automations, and you can have automated conversations in the context of a live chat. You will find new channels. For the Chinese market, you'll find WeChat and WeCom, and Telegram, it's another channel. We added more insights and metrics captured in the conversation history. As you know, Druid delivers with hybrid and on-premise deployment conversation history hosted by you. Everything fully secured, compliant, nothing gets recorded by Druid. So with these new metrics, you can have more analytics and insights. And you find 2 deployment regions. You have Druid Australia and Druid US to use it for your convenience. Please give a try to these new features. You find them in community or production, or open new trial accounts in druidai.com, or just have a chat with us. Thank you.